Network Entertainment.
There's a strange moment that happens sometimes when you are already clear, you know what you need to do, yet you still haven't decided. Not because you're careless, not because you're clueless, but because part of you is still waiting to feel something before you move. In other words, hindi mo pa siya feel. Kung ikaw to, let's stay here for this episode.
Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to Chink Positive. Alam nyo, whether we want it or not, or like it or not, there are certain decisions in life na alam mo na kung ano sagot mo, pero dinay-delay mo pagkatagal-tagal na buwan na or even sometimes years. Not because you don't know the answer, but because you feel, pero hindi mo siya pa-feel eh. Sa parang iniisip mo, I thought that it would be obvious, but when it's the right choice, kung alam mo nanggaling talaga sa Diyos, may confidence, may courage. At the same time, meron siyang kapayapaan, may peace of mind ba? Pero minsan, kung hindi ka nakakapag-decide is because may konting ka pang confusion. So that's the reason why I want you to answer this. If there's a decision in your life, you already know the answer to. But up to this day, you're still waiting for you to feel ready. Meron ba? Kung meron, just give me a nod. If you're feeling that way, you are not alone. This is what I discovered. You are not waiting for clarity. You are not waiting for a sign, but you are waiting for the word called confidence. Diba? Kulang pa sa iyo yung confidence kung bakit ka nagde-delay sa mga decision mo. At alam mo naman, pag hindi ka confident sa decision mo, diba, you will hesitate, diba? You will think twice. But once you are confident, you will immediately decide. Diba? Baligtad siya eh. Confidence is not actually a requirement, but actually, if you look at it, confidence is a result. So let me ask you this honestly. Ikaw ba yung tipong tao, yung talaga naghihintay ka na sure ka? Sure na sure ka bago ka gumawa ng decision? Or you are the type of a person na who's willing to take risks and make decisions first. And then from there, you can learn from that decision that you... Or ikaw yung tao na talagang you are willing to take the risk in order for you to know if it's the right decision or not. Alam mo kagandahan niyang, pag nakapag-decide ka na, it will create the word called trust. Kasi malalaman mo kung nag-work siya o hindi. Hindi mo naman malalaman until such time you decide. Do you agree? So every time when you choose, even if you're not sure, pero gusto mo talagang malaman kung talagang tama siya o mali. In other words, ladies and gentlemen, huwag kang matakot na mag-decide. Yun lang naman talaga kung bakit ka hindi hindi mo nakaka-move on sa mga ginagawa mo. Parati ka na lang bukas ng bukas. You make excuses because you are afraid of the consequence and the decision that you're going to make. You're afraid of the rejection. You have the fear of failure. You fear of the unknown. Kaya nga later today, gusto kong i-challenge kita using this podcast. Why don't you choose one thing today na hindi naman super life-changing, but you feel na you will make progress? Like, sagutin mo na yung 1 yes. Diba? Sagutin mo na yung 1 no. Oo, okay lang kahit na ma-offend siya. Before you do it, you tell yourself, I don't need to be right always. Kailangan ko lang mag-decide and maging present. Then choose. Diba? Tanggalin na natin ang drama. Diba? And the good news is this, if you made the right decision, diba? You'll become more confident already in the next decision. Paulit-ulit lang siya. Kaya next time when you talk about how confident you are, confidence comes when you make that decision. Pero kung hanggang ngayon di ka pa nakakapag-decide, nako, maniwala ka. Walang mangyayari. Hindi ka magiging confident forever. So again, I would like to leave you with 3 takeaways in this episode of ours. Again, clarity doesn't guarantee that you will move. Confidence is built after you make the decision or you made the decision, and then trust comes in through repetition. So let me ask you as we end this podcast, if you don't need to be right now and then you just need to make a decision, anong decision ang gusto mong gawin ngayon para matest kung tama ba ang iniisip mo o hindi? If you like this episode, for clarity moments, please ulitin mo lang to in order for you to be more clear. Thank you very much for listening. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.